At CashMap Consulting LLC, we're dedicated to helping you achieve your financial goals faster. No consulting fees. Choose the help you need. We don't have access to your financial information. The number of loans you can use with CashMap Pro is endless. Every personalized solution tells you how to get started, when to take another draw, and how much to withdraw from your line of credit. Use CashMap Pro to see your financial picture over the next 15 years. Thinking about a major purchase? Create a new CashMap, go to My Maps, compare results, and see the impact. CashMap Pro offers affordable payment choices, monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, annual, and a one-time lifetime option. Use the free trial period or CashMap's free interactive tools on our website. Need personalized coaching? We're here to help. Our goal is to create an easy-to-use plan to fit your needs. Get started today and begin mapping your financial future.